You have one old message. Friday, 8 p.m.
I've been out here getting paid. Hundreds gonna airplay. Nike box stuff, use the mattress of the safe. Debit card straight when the feds ask the bank. Scheming for the bag, never act, just say for the money. Got my team going dummy. Hill figure jeans, cop new with the skunnets. Ric Flair drip with the ice on the wrist. Pull up with the blick and I hit another leg, boy. Cash slips, relatives, they coming from me.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Just Please K Spot back with another video. And today we're about to start on this restoration for these joints right here. These Bred 4s from 2012. And yeah, so basically gonna get that repaint. Repaint. Actually, it's kind of this side. Get the creases out the toe box. Clean the whole shoe up, basically. And try to see if I can unyellow the gray. And then, yeah, other than that, the shoe's not like super trash, but definitely need some work. So let's just get this restoration process starting with the cleaning process. Let's go. Alright, so we're gonna start by inserting our Angelus shoe trees.
Say I don't understand why these people hate me. I ain't got no friends, all I got is family. Look at who I am, got these women crazy. Get on my DMs, how I'm feeling lately. I don't.
Alright, so now we got the laces out. This shoe is actually really dusty. Like when I was taking the laces out, it was just a lot of dust coming off them, stuff like that. And yeah, so we're actually about to start getting the cleaning. And you already know you gotta use the best sneaker cleaning around, which is Rejuvenator. Yeah, I'm actually almost out, so I have to order some more. Sorry, I do not have a promo code for you, because yeah, but I do use Rejuvenator. That's like the best. I think that's like the best. You've crept. Angelus is a good one too, but I don't know, bro. I just think Rejuvenator just adds some special formula to their stuff to make it so good. So yeah, so we're about to get the cleaning on these and this. Yeah, so let's go.
I don't want no attention. I just want some Burberry in a Benza. I don't want no attention. You can call my phone, I ain't gonna answer. I don't want no attention. I've been on the road, now these niggas jealous. I don't want their attention. I don't think I made it love. Say they want my time, but my mind ain't made up. Used to want a shorty just so I could lay up. Focused on what's coming, cause my last was a dub. I know many can relate. Say they on their grind, but distractions in their way. Going for what's mine, cause I gotta get paid. Money on my mind, gotta get it every day. I ain't got no time to chill, I ain't got no time to slack. I've been carrying away, got some pounds on my back. Got a lot of things to say, if you see me fall back. I ain't ready for no drama, cause the shorty comes with that. And I don't want no attention. I just want some Burberry in a Benza. I don't want no attention. You can call my phone, I ain't gonna answer.
Alright, so I just finished cleaning the shoe. It looks way better, not dust put up. This is what they used to look like. Dusty and dirty. Dang. All dusty and whatnot. But now, look way better. This nubuck is so smooth. Suede nubuck, so smooth. But yeah, so definitely do not need to put these in the wash machine. These are nice, because they were really just super dusty, but now they're actually good again. So what we're probably gonna start doing is removing the paint, and I'm probably gonna get something just so I can like chip away at it, because I'm not trying to, because these are kind of old, so I don't want to really use a lot of acetone to mess up the sole. So I'm probably just gonna get like a file or something like that and just chip away at the paint. Or I mean, I could use my dad's Easy Spray, which just put it on there, wipe it, and then yeah. But I don't want to use a lot of chemicals, so I'm just gonna try to scratch it off and then see what goes on from there. So yeah, let me get to doing that.
You call my phone, I ain't gonna answer. I don't want no attention. I've been on the road, now these niggas jealous. I don't want their attention. I've been in my own lane, not in it for the clout with the attention or the fame. Never see me out, cause there's paper on my brain. Living in the south, but perspective on some things. Never answering a call, only if a business in the future I'm a mom. Ain't no time for women, cause they asking for it all. I was giving kisses, gonna help a nigga ball. Keep my phone in my hands, but I'm always in my nose. Tryna write another hit, tryna find a way to blow. Got my brothers on my sleeves, 3 spears, so you know it's exactly what it seems. I ain't here for the show. On a shorty just so I could lay up. Focused on what's coming, cause my last was a dub. I know many can relate. Say they on their grind, but distractions in their way. Going for what's mine, cause I gotta get paid. Money on my mind, gotta get it every day. I ain't got no time to chill, I ain't got no time to slack. I've been carrying away, got some pounds on my back. Got a lot of things to say, if you see me fall back. I ain't ready for no drama, cause the shorty comes with that, and I don't want no attention. I just want some Burberry in a Benza, I don't want no attention. You can call my phone, I ain't gonna answer, I don't want no attention. I've been on the road, now these niggas jealous, I don't want their attention. I've been in my own lane, not in it for the clout with the attention or the fame. Never see me out, cause there's paper on my brain. Living in the south, but perspective on some things. Never answering a call, only if a business in the future I'm a mom. Ain't no time for women, cause they asking for it all. I was giving kisses, gonna help a nigga ball. Keep my phone in my hands, but I'm always in my nose. Tryna write another hit, tryna find a way to blow. Got my brothers on my sleeves, 3 spears, so you know it's exactly what it seems. I ain't here for the show. See, I don't understand why these people hate me. I ain't got no friends, all I got is family. Look at who I am, got these women crazy. Get on my DMs, how I'm feeling lately. I don't want no attention. I just want some Burberry in a Benza, I don't want no attention. You can call my phone, I ain't gonna answer, I don't want no attention. I've been on the road, now these niggas jealous, I don't want their attention.
You have one old message. Friday, 6:58 p.m.
Swear that all my life I've been honest, I'm the hardest. And my gang attacks, can we get honest? On the problems, I don't think you want it. And I'm just being honest. I'll be the one to put my team on it. Wake up around the night to fall asleep when it hits morning. Been like this since I was born in. I'm just being honest. A week, now I'm about to so self-made A1, I'm cut from a different cloth. Can't walk in these shoes, they weren't made for you to walk. Headwinds took a loss, it's the price to be the boss. I came from nothing, we were struggling. Living with my aunts and sharing a bed with my cousins. Can't say that I was rich, cause nigga I wasn't. So don't ever ask a question why I'm always starting, yeah. I had to cut niggas off and switch lanes. Moving different now cause I figured out the game. I broke bread when niggas was left with only change. But when I needed help I ain't never get the same. So I hustle and I do it all alone. My dad wasn't there, male figure wasn't home. I grew up real fast, as a kid I was grown. If you want shit on, you gotta do it on your own. I'm being honest, fuck being modest. Every day I'm on the grind, cause nothing is promised. I mean everything I say, if I want it, I want it. Used to dream about the money, now it's in my pocket, yeah. I don't wanna feel, they wanna see me fall. Why you doing me like this? I'm trying to help us all. When we was in the rough, King was who they call. I'm a ball, you gon' see that I'm a star. Told my mama I'ma make it, I don't care what I face. Nature Nate paid away from my great.
So as you can see, I just finished painting. Not really much to say. It's just finished painting the black. The midsole part is done finally. It took so long. I'm about to just do a few touch-ups that I have to do, and then put the finisher on. The finisher's over there, the Krylon matte finish, and put that on. So I'm gonna have to tape up the uppers, stuff like that. And yeah, the painting was actually really cool, just easy, no brush strokes at all. Like you see right here, no brush strokes. So it's just the way. Just the way I paint, but no brush strokes at all, so that's good. So let me get to taping this upper off. Camera's about to die also. Let me put that on let me put the other battery in. And let's get to the matte finish. So let's go.
See the twos, that's a nick on my chest. Double X, only L I take, I know I'm up next. Put it to rest, all the talking that you doing through text. Catching wreck with a king will get you sentenced to death. See, I'm a threat. A problem, I got anger issues, talk a lot of shit, and put some stitches in you. Swear that all my life I've been.
So I mean, we done.
I'll be the one to put my team on and wake up around the night to fall asleep when it hits morning. Been like this since I was born in. I'm just being honest. No. Rubber band wrap tight round my skeleton, we make your bitch act right if you coming for me. And my click bag tight, ain't no funnies you see, huh? I've been on a roll, getting to this moolah, but I gotta get more. Blacked out drop, we ain't never getting cold. Pedal to the metal if we ever see the call. Ain't looking at the goals, when I'm out at the mall. Drop our fifth on sex, half kick for the wall. 47 on my black hat, keeping it raw. 10 racks for a toe tag, learning to talk. 3 spears pop off and I'm getting involved. Milan laid my bra if I'm giving a call. King 9-8 band, hunt to the guard. ATL vagabond, tell mama I'm sorry. I've been out here getting paid. Hundreds gonna play. Nike box stuff, use the mattress of the safe. Debit card straight when the feds ask the bank. Scheming for the bag, never act, just save for the money. Got my team going dummy. Hill figure jeans, cop new with the stunnets. Brick flare drip with the ice on the wrist. Pull up with the blick and I had another lick.
Posted up south side with them real niggas. QB Tom Brady, I'm a field. Tommy straps on my leg like it's hell figure. Play with my squad, it's a rap, I'ma kill niggas. Young nigga, but I flex like a OG. Speaking knockers talking cause I'm rocking on my lonely. All up in a box when I be hardin' like I'm Kobe. Really talking, really plotting like they know me for the moment.
Getting paid. Hundreds gonna play. Nike box stuff, use the mattress of the safe. Debit card straight when the feds ask the bank. Scheming for the bag, never act, just save for the money. Got my team going dummy. Hill figure jeans, cop new with the stunnets. Brick flare drip with the ice on the wrist. Pull up with the blick and I had another lick.